Is the next step in your financial evolution simply recognizing how passive income differs from residual income? Imagine a world where your money works for you and you no longer trade time for dollars. Understanding these two types of income could be the key to unlocking that reality. In today's video, we're diving deep into the nuances of passive and residual income, unraveling what they truly mean and how they can impact your journey to financial freedom. Picture this. You're enjoying a weekend hike in the mountains, completely disconnected from work, and yet your bank account is steadily growing. Sounds amazing, right? But is that passive income or residual income? Let's find out. To start, let's get a clear understanding of what passive income and residual income are. They may seem similar, but they have distinct characteristics that set them apart. Passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Think of rental income from a property you own or earnings from an online course you've created. Once the initial work is done, the income continues to flow with minimal maintenance. On the other hand, residual income is slightly different. It's money you continue to earn after the initial effort has been completed, but it might still require some degree of ongoing work. For instance, if you're a salesperson earning commissions on past sales, that's residual income. You made the initial sale, but as long as the customer keeps buying, you keep earning. Understanding these differences can open new pathways for you. For example, investing in dividend-paying stocks is a classic way to generate passive income. You buy the stock, and as long as the company performs well, you receive dividends. Conversely, writing a book and earning royalties is a form of residual income. You've done the hard work of writing, but you still promote it to maintain sales. Now, let's delve deeper into how you can start building these income streams. With passive income, the goal is to create systems that generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. This might involve investing in real estate, creating digital products like ebooks or online courses, or even starting a blog that earns through ads and affiliate marketing. The beauty of passive income is the ability to scale. Once your system is in place, you can earn indefinitely without significant additional effort. Imagine owning a piece of rental property. Initially, it requires a substantial investment of time and money. You need to find the right property, secure financing, and perhaps renovate it to attract tenants. But once it's rented out, the monthly rental payments can provide a steady stream of income with relatively little ongoing effort. Even if you hire a property manager, the bulk of the work is done up front. Over time, as property values increase, your rental income can also grow, providing an even greater return on your initial investment. Residual income, however, often requires a continuous, albeit reduced, level of involvement. If you're in network marketing, for example, you build a team and continue to earn from their sales. Another example is subscription services. You might develop software or a membership site where users pay monthly fees. While the initial development is significant, maintaining and updating the service ensures the income keeps flowing. Think about how these concepts could apply to your life. Maybe you have a hobby or skill that could be monetized. Are you a talented photographer? Selling stock photos online could be a great source of passive income. You upload the photos once, and they can continue to sell for years. Each sale might be small, but over time, it adds up, creating a nice stream of income. Do you have a knack for writing? Consider authoring a book or starting a blog. Once the book is published or the blog is established with a solid readership, you can earn money through book sales or advertising revenue. The effort of writing might be substantial initially, but the potential for ongoing earnings is significant. Let's consider the lifestyle implications. Passive income can offer a level of financial freedom that traditional employment cannot. Imagine traveling the world while your rental properties bring in steady cash flow, or waking up to find you've made money from ebook sales overnight. It's about leveraging your time and resources to create a self-sustaining financial ecosystem. Residual income, while slightly more hands-on, can also offer substantial benefits. It's like planting a tree and enjoying its fruits year after year. A salesperson, for instance, can build a solid client base that provides ongoing commissions. A software developer who maintains a popular app can enjoy steady revenue from subscriptions or in-app purchases. As you start to explore these avenues, remember that the initial effort can be substantial. Building a rental property portfolio requires capital and management skills. Creating digital products demands creativity and technical know-how, but the long-term benefits often outweigh the initial investment. You're not just working for money, you're building assets that generate income. You might be surprised to learn that the potential to combine both passive and residual income streams can lead to even greater financial stability. Imagine you own rental properties, passive income, and also run a membership site, Residual Income. Rental properties provide a steady, predictable income, while membership sites can offer growth potential as they attract more members. This combination can create a robust financial foundation, giving you multiple income sources that can weather economic fluctuations. Have you ever considered how diversifying your income streams could protect you against financial downturns and provide a more secure future? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're planning to blend different income types. Here's a practical step to get you started on this journey. Identify one area where you can start building either passive or residual income. It could be investing in stocks, creating an online course, or even starting a small side business. For instance, if you choose stocks, begin by researching companies with strong dividend histories. If an online course appeals to you, think about the skills or knowledge you possess that others might find valuable. Starting a small side business, look at market trends and your passions to find a niche. Take that first step and begin to educate yourself. The internet is full of resources, from blogs and podcasts to online courses and forums. You might find a podcast that breaks down investment strategies or an online course that guides you through creating and marketing your own product. Dive in, learn, and start building your financial future today. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be truly life-changing. Understanding the differences between passive income and residual income is more than just a financial lesson. It's a transformative step towards a new way of thinking about earning money. By leveraging the power of these income streams, you can create a life where your money works for you, offering freedom and flexibility. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving financial freedom, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.